Hi everyone, this is Cynthia Caballes, your accredited real estate salesperson, ang agent na hindi ka iiwan. Kung naghahanap ka ng modern, smart at super accessible na bahay sa Dasmariñas, Cavite, stay ka lang kasi I will tour you around sa Menara by Enduraland, located right here sa Kahaya Place, Amuntay Road, Dasma. Today, I'll show you kung bakit ito ang perfect home for families, professional, and investors. Kung gusto mo ng bahay na malapit sa Manila, Alabang at Tagaytay, check. Walking distance sa Dasmariñas Bayan, check. Complete turnover with tiles, partition, and smart home features, plus 3 bedroom, check na check. Then, this is the house you've been waiting for. Inner unit, perfect for starters. Lot area 50 square meter, floor area 60 square meter. Sa inner unit pa lang, kompleto ka na. Perfect for small to growing families. Corner and unit for bigger needs. Lot area 85 square meter, floor area 66 square meter. 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport. Mas malaki ang lote, mas maaliwalas. This is perfect for families who want extra space or investors who want higher future value. Hindi lang basta bahay, lifestyle na talaga. Swimming pool, basketball court, clubhouse, playground, smart home features, strategic location. Guys, location pa lang panalo na. Schools, malls and groceries, church, hospital, lahat ng essentials minutes away lang. Mga ka-home buyers at ka-investor, I'm telling you, this project is the best. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Message na!